Hi, I'm Trevor Manton, Manton Pushrods, third generation valve train manufacturer. I think some of the favorite memories as a child were getting to sit on Dad's shoulders at, let's say, Pomona at the chain link fence and watching the Nitro cars go by, knowing that my family's parts were inside of them, and having this overwhelming desire to not lose my seat at the table.
We manufacture valve train components, push rods, rocker arms, anything to do in the valve train. I am extremely blessed to be able to work with my kids. Sometimes it's hard on family gatherings because all we talk about is valve train. So even at home and family functions.
My name is Eric Sempson. I'm operations manager here at PPE. PPE is Pacific Performance Engineering, and we design parts and accessories for performance vehicles, pickup trucks. We're getting into the muscle car market, so we're going to be doing parts for the Mustang, Camaro, and the Challenger and Charger, vehicles like that.